No soap radio. A practical joke designed to confuse someone who isn't in on the joke. The humor comes from the social interaction, where those in the know laugh at the absurd punchline while others are puzzled. Example: two elephants are taking a bath. One says, "Please pass the soap." The other replies, "No soap radio." The punchline doesn't make sense, and the joke relies on the confused reactions of those not in on it.
Sarcasm, the use of irony to mock or convey contempt, often by saying the opposite of what one means in a tone that indicates the true intent. Example: "Oh great, another rainy day. Just what I needed." The speaker actually dislikes the rain but pretends to be enthusiastic with the sarcastic tone, making the true sentiment clear. Slapstick physical comedy involving exaggerated actions, often involving harmless violence or accidents to provoke laughter. Example: scenario: a character slips on a banana peel and falls down in an exaggerated manner. The humor comes from the visual and physical nature of the fall. Dark humor, humor that deals with grim, serious, or taboo subjects, often making light of difficult situations in a way that can be seen as offensive. Example: I have a lot of jokes about unemployed people, but none of them work. The joke uses a play on words to make light of unemployment, a serious issue which can be shocking or offensive.
White humor, lighthearted, clean, and inoffensive humor that is suitable for all audiences. Example: why don't skeletons fight each other? They don't have the guts. A simple, harmless joke suitable for any audience, including children. Dry humor, subtle, understated humor delivered in a serious, deadpan manner without changing facial expressions or tone. Example: I'm on a seafood diet. I see food and I eat it. The humor lies in the wordplay and the deadpan delivery, which contrasts with the silly content. Satire, the use of humor, irony, or exaggeration to criticize or expose flaws in society, politics, or individuals, often with the intent of promoting change. Example: Jonathan Swift's A Modest Proposal suggests that the poor should sell their children as food to address poverty. The absurdity and irony highlight the neglect of the poor, critiquing social policies and attitudes.
Surreal humor, humor based on illogical scenarios, bizarre elements, and absurd situations that defy rational thought. Example: why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Also, cats are liquid. The first part is a play on words, and the second part adds an absurd, illogical twist. Green humor, humor related to environmental issues and nature, often with an activist slant or promoting ecological awareness. Example: why did the tree go to therapy? It needed to get to the root of its problems. A pun that connects a tree's roots to personal problems, promoting environmental awareness in a lighthearted way. Insult humor, humor that involves making fun of or belittling someone, often in a sharp or biting manner, which can be playful or mean-spirited. Example: you're so bad at math you can't even count the number of times you failed. The joke insults someone's math skills, aiming to be funny through its harshness.
Observational humor, humor based on everyday life and common experiences, highlighting the absurdities and quirks in mundane activities. Example: have you ever noticed that anyone driving slower than you is an idiot, and anyone going faster than you is a maniac? It points out a common relatable experience, making people laugh by recognizing their own thoughts and behaviors.